And then pause. Okay, this is a little, I did a whole, since we're kind of like, smoke and mirrors is more and more Plato's cave. The theme is against the globe. Not that I'm against the earth. You know, like, it's two different things. I feel it's two different things. But how many people like the word earth over globe? Who likes earth? Okay, I say earth. It's kind of a good vibe, right? Hey, earth. Right? Okay, now I say globe. You know what it is? Like political. It's, you know what I mean? It's got a political vibe. And, you know, they never say earth. They never say the people of the earth. Have you noticed that? That's only in a fucking Hollywood movie. Like when we're threatened by like a disaster. But you'll never hear a politician say, it's very rare anyways. It's always globe. People around the globe. Globalism. Globe, globe, globe. Globe, globe. Sounds like a turkey. I'm trying to get stuff up like this. Well, where is a rumor going on? I can't legally say I ever worked for NASA. I can't legally say that. Just so you know, I can't legally say that. And if you call them up and you say, did Matt Boyle work for NASA? They'll go, who are you talking about? Of course. Of course. They're not going to say I work for them. Why would they? Yeah, you did stuff for us. What do you do? No. This is my favorite image of the earth. But plus, how many people recognize this as an image of the earth? It's funny how nobody's ever seen that point of view. And this was taken on the moon mission. How many people, by applause, believe we went to the moon? Or landed a man on the moon, by applause? Okay. You believe? No? How many people believe that we didn't land a man on the moon? By applause. This is the flag of the global government. This is brief. This is the flag of the global government. But there's no globe on it. This is actually the view of the platter. This is the most watched event in history. Go. You can press play on this. Going to the moon. That's the most televised event. And this is the second most. The most watched event. Up. The second most. Down. Up, down. Up, down. This is moon landing. Eastern Standard Time, 1827, 1969. Isaac Newton saves the mathematics of the Earth as a globe in 1699. That's 1669. So I have dyslexia when I see the same drawing. You know? They set up screens so people can experience the moon landing in groupthink dynamics. The reality is reinforced when an event is witnessed in a group. Here like that, and it's funny because every shot out of the 6 missions, they always show the lunar surface. But you think that you're up there on the moon, get a shot, a video shot, a film shot. There's no moving footage of what I'm about to describe. It's just a simple shot. You're on the moon. Get a shot of you on the moon. 6 fucking missions, moving footage. You have a film camera with the Earth in the background as a ball. Like, I'm going to show you some images, and then you tell me by applause which one of the images is a painting, and which one of the images is a photo. Painting. By applause. Painting. By applause. Okay. Is this a photo by applause? No. So those who said painting, you're right. It's a Bob Ross. You know this guy, they got the afro. It's a Bob Ross. It's a real Bob Ross. I swear to God, but I don't know it. It's like millions of dollars. Next one. Okay, by applause. This is a painting? I did this. I'm imitating a kid drawing. It's not bad. It's a crayon drawing. Yeah, it's like I did that. Okay, by applause. Is this a photo? By applause. Is this a painting? You're right, it's a painting. Okay, next image. By applause. Is this a photo? By applause. Is this a painting? Painting, you're right. Okay, by applause. Is this a painting? By applause. Is this a photo? Okay, by applause. Is this a painting? this a photo by Paul? Is this a painting by Paul? This is a painting. Richard Evans. Okay, next image. Okay, this is a NASA photo of the Arctic. 5 plus. How many people think that this is a photo? 5 plus. How many people think this is painting? You make a call. Next image. It's a photo according to the NASA. When they found in Mercury in 70s. So, see? Just do that for planet. I just take peanut butter jam, throw it on the table, mahogany wood background, and cut out a perfect circle and just put it on top. There you go, homemade planets. Sorry. But it looks real, you know? You think that Hollywood would have, you think NASA would have better graphics than Hollywood? You know what I mean? Why don't they outsource? You know what I mean? How is it NASA's imagery looks like lamer than a fucking Hollywood movie?
It's watered down.
So like, yeah, it's like cartoony and infrared, computerized. You know? Next image. So, 5 plus. How many people think this is a photo? 5 plus. How many people think this is a painting? Keep going. Photo or painting? That's a real NASA photo of the Earth at night. Africa. Photo or painting? Photo or painting? Photo or painting? What do you know, Mike? How the fuck would you know? How the fuck would we know? Eh? It's like, you know, it's like, what are we supposed to go? It's like you were discerning, eh? Like, that is not a real Earth thing I've never seen.
Yeah, the camera has been stolen. Along with the 35mm cinema film quality, makes me look good, and everything we do look great, good sound. Stolen. We're in Key West. The horizon's crooked, but if the horizon's crooked here, but obviously you think it's a sphere because it's on an angle because you've been brainwashed. The Earth is so flat. So flat, motherfucker.